Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, JJ. You know, we back at it. About to look at this suit for $1,000 off of ACV. Let's see. Tires. Take those hubcaps off. Gotta go get a new front bumper. Yeah, need a new front bumper. And then I'm gonna take this to Wilson. Paint that, paint the trunk, you know, hit that little back, you know, the capitalizer, you know, make as much money as you can, so create a loan. Let's see if the battery's up. Battery's good. Then we got the Wilson. Get it detailed. Pop hood. Check fluids. What is that? This thing got two. Oh no, it's just where you add all. I was about to say this thing got two things. Okay, got coolant. Wanna see me? Put that back there. Come on, baby. See if we see like any leaks or anything that I can see. Nope, just see dirty. Let's see if it look like they put any new parts on here. It doesn't. Look like something's missing. I don't know, just it's kind of weird. I don't know if it's like something missing. Like, is it a wheel cover or something missing? Cause should that just be that open? I'm not sure. Battery's corroded. All right. Battery's corrosive. So on key. Got a tire pressure light on. Windshield has a crack in there, so gonna have to get a windshield, but I'll probably do that after. I just have Wilson take it to after he fixed it. I'll just tell him to drop it off at the Primos and get a windshield put in here. So we gotta put the money, invest up some money. Gonna cost a little money, so we got $1,000. So pay Wilson probably, bond the bumper probably be another $100 or something. You know, pay Wilson, that's gonna cost probably like $300-400 for him to paint the top and the hood. If I don't find a matching bumper, probably about like $500. So we're looking at about $1,500. Windshield probably costs about like $150. Fluid's already been changed, but you know, you can go get a refresher and you can go freshen that oil change up. You know, that ain't nothing to go get a fresher oil change, so just go do that. So you have an updated sticker and everything, get a new windshield. So have about 15, out the transport, so transport was like $300. Let me go so you can have as much room to turn. Temperature hand in this thing. May not have a temperature gauge. Alright, I guess it doesn't have a temperature gauge. That's crazy. That's weird. That's weird. Build a car without a temperature gauge? Well, you know if your car is running hot. I don't know. That's kind of crazy to me. Especially, you know, it's a 2011. So I think if I spend, you know, $700, I could sell it for about 35, $4 grand after it's painted and stuff like that. I can get about 35 to $4 grand. So I can make, you know, 2,000 to 1,500 to 2,000. Go get some new hubcaps. Gotta get some new hubcaps. It's alright. Grill can say they grill. Bumpers done. Bumpers shot. What size wheels is these? 16. So we can get some black hubcaps. Throw some nice black hubcaps on there. Came from Colorado. So yeah, once we get this painted, get that painted, gonna have them paint that, so it all blends together. You know, tell them slap that on there too. Blend that up. Then we're gonna slap some tires on there, and we'll be good to go. What y'all think? $1,000? Was it a good deal? 2011 Subaru, 175,000 miles. Subarus, they're right up there with Toyotas and Hondas. You know, they're literally right up there. You know, they're up there with Toyotas and Hondas. I would probably, I mean, you can make a case that maybe Subaru might be one. You know, you can make a case that Subaru might be one. So you can, like I said, you can make a case that Subaru might actually be one, and Toyota might be two. But either way, Subaru makes a good car. That's why I want to make sure it's good to go, so it ain't no complaining. So like, cause it's gonna be detailed, oil's gonna be fresh, it's gonna be windshield, oil's gonna be fresh. It's gonna have a new bumper that's painted. Get the black hubcaps for it. You know, so it's gonna be all ready to go. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Let me know in the comment section below what can I sell it for, and if $1,000 was a good price, I'm out. Peace.